bakers, welcome to the kitchen. You guys know how much I love stand mixers, and I absolutely love the Zacme. We were one of the first ones that took a look at the Zacme, and I'm going to tell you, it blew me away. That mixer rocked my little world, right? It was smooth, it was robust, it was just a lot of fun to use it. Zacme has come out with a brand new 7-quart mixer. We're going to get our first look at this one. We're going to compare it against the 8.4, and we're going to see what this new Zacme has to offer, right? I'm looking forward to it because I love me some Zacme. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So back many years ago, I got my hands on this mixer called a Zacme, and I didn't know what to make of it. You guys know that I have tested so many different brands and different kind of mixers, and when it first came across my kitchen counter, I was like, is this going to be similar to a lot of the other mixers I've used, right? A tilt head. A lot of tilt heads have some issues with bouncing around. They don't quite have the power of the bowl lift. They don't quite have the power of the mixers with the motor at the base. They're just basically cookie and cake mixers, right? I haven't found a mixer that a tilt head that was really robust enough to handle, thick cookie dough, double recipes of bread, and bread made from fresh milled flour. I struggled with that. So when the Zacme came to me, I was like, okay, I want to try this out because I want to see what it has to offer. But I didn't actually realize how it was going to change my view of the tilt head. So we did a full review on it. I'll put links down to the 8.4, the 7, and the 5.5, just so you can see where the history of the Zacme mixer started, basically. After I used those mixers, I was completely and totally turned over, right? I became an instant Zacme fan. The mixers are quiet, they're robust, they do a fantastic job. I can throw a double loaf, a double batch of bread. I can do fresh milled flour, wheat bread. There's nothing that I have made in the Zacme that has changed any of the way that I feel about it. So the Zacme had the 8.4, they had the 7, and they had the 5.5. They want to standardize on the look and feel of the 8.4, so they came out with a 7-quart, and that is what is right here in this box. I don't know what color this is yet. I just want to thank Zacme for sending this over. We're going to have a little Zacme week coming up, right? Because I love this mixer. So we're going to see if the new model is as good as the old models. And we're going to kind of compare today. We're going to get this out this box and compare the 8.4 and this one just to see the size difference and see what they got going on. There'll be links down in the description for this mixer. I don't even know what color it is. So let's get this box open. What's funny is I didn't know what color this was until I realized that there's a little thing here and it's checked black, right? So this mixer comes in cream, porcelain, silver, black, pistachio, and Empire red.
I wonder who else comes in Empire red.
I don't know.
Might have to compare some reds.
I don't know what they have in stock. They sell out a lot. It's like, you go on there, it's like, oh, I'm going to get one. And then they sell out fast because they're becoming really, really popular. Like in the bread groups and everything, this mixer has exploded. So, ooh, okay. Okay. Oh, the Zacme.
And that's our first look.
Yeah, it looks like the 8.4, except it's got a digital control here. Sweet! So this is 7-quart, 650 watts with an LED display. and in Zacme style. Dough hook, beater, whisk, all unbelievable stainless steel. Yeah. Oh, here's your colors. So cream, porcelain, silver, black, pistachio, and Empire Red. I think the 8.4 that I have is a cream. Okay, this is a large tilt head. And it's solid. It's gonna be fine having it. Okay, so we have a product warranty card. Nice. Really nice. Thank you for choosing Zacme. Well, thank you, Zacme. A user manual. Sweet. Shows you how to operate the control. Sweet, sweet. Oh, it has an accessory guide and the speeds for each attachment. So we have a splash guard to keep everything from going poof. Oh, there's a nice handle on the top so I can pull it out of the box.
Be careful over here.
Ooh, we got an attachment here. Let me upright it. I believe this is upright. We have another attachment here. Whoa. These are Zacme style attachments. These are Zacme style attachments. Look at that baby. Solid stainless steel, dishwasher safe. There's a little screw here that you can adjust it if you want it higher or lower in the bowl. Amazing. Here's the paddle. Amazing. Look at that. These are huge. They're amazing. Nothing burnished on this mixer. Ooh. It's got a handle. It makes it easy to move it around. So we move these to the other side. So we have some more room to work. Okay. I'm excited to see this mixer. Woo! Let me take this off the plug. Are you excited, Bill?
Sure.
It's not going anywhere on the board.
Nah.
You ready, Boo?
Sure.
1, 2, 3. And a 1, Zacme. And a 2, Zacme. And a 3, Zacme! Sweet! So, nice. Nice. And all Zacme style. Look at that whisk on that thing.
Pretty big.
Yeah. Here's our bowl. Wow, I love it. And I love the black color. The black color is sweet. Nice. So we put our, whoa. Look at the size of this whisk. Whoa. So they do have some attachments for the front. There's a hub right here on the front for the attachments. So here's our controls. We have the spinner that controls the speed. It has like a momentary or a pulse or a pause where it goes zzz, zzz, zzz. It only goes when you control it. And then you go to 1, 2, all the way up to 11 speeds. So we will put it like on speed 4. If you want to control the timer, you're just going to hit that button right there. It's going to blink, and then you're going to control the timer. Whoops. Timer. And then you're going to control the timer, 60 minutes, all the way to 1, 1.5, 2, You're just going to hit this button to start it. This mixer is quiet. There's a light in the bowl. That's as loud as it is all the way up on 11. This Zacme is nice. Like, nice. And not only that, this thing is beautiful. It's die-cast metal. It's like a matte, it's on a cast iron finish. Let me go grab the 8 quart. So, cooks and bakers and cooks. This is a 7 quart Zacme. This is the 8 quart Zacme. You can kind of see the difference. This is definitely a bigger machine than this machine. So it depends on where you want to put it in your kitchen. You might want a little smaller machine that you can move around a little easier, or maybe you just don't have the space. Or if you want a large, robust machine, this is definitely a machine to get. I'll put links down to each of these. So do you guys want to do Zacme week next week?
Sure.
If I can get it together, we'll do that, right? Zacme, thank you. This mixer is amazing. I'm looking forward to trying it out. This is the new Zacme 7 quart. Look at the black. It's like cast iron. It's absolutely beautiful. It's beautiful. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.